A safety information card is located in that seat back or literature pocket. To fasten your seatbelt, set the flight end into the buckle. Pull the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Position your seatbelt tight and low across your hips and wear it anytime you are seated. This aircraft has 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exits in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead to an exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container with the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place the vest over your head. Wrap the straps around your waist. Buckle in front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down that red tab to inflate the vest. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that will turn on automatically once in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We're coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened. Your seat backs and tray tables are in that full, upright, and locked position. All carrying items are completely underneath the seat in front of you or an overhead bin, leaving the air around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board. This includes the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is also prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in the aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol you brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations also require past compliance with that lighted passenger information sign, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including on those seatbelts and smoking. Although we don't anticipate a change in cabin pressure, if needed, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop down from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down the mask until the plastic tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic straps. Although oxygen will be flowing, that plastic bag may not inflate. Continue to use unless otherwise notified by a crew member. If you're traveling with children, anyone needing special assistance, go ahead and put on your mask first. Please remove any face covers before donning an oxygen mask. For your comfort, but most importantly for your safety, so please report any unwelcome behavior to a flight attendant. Thank you all for your attention. Sit back and relax. Enjoy this hour-and-a-half flight. Also, please be mindful of that fasten seatbelt sign. The captain has asked the flight attendants to remain seated until it's safe for us to do so. Once again, welcome aboard. ready for departure, check your seatbelts and enjoy the flight.